Hi, I'm Mint Bell, and today I'm going to show you how to make an insert for your Ita bag. First, you will need some foam board that you can get at most craft stores. You will also need some fabric to cover your foam insert. I got half a yard. Make sure to have an X-Acto knife and/or scissors. I had to use both. You'll need measuring tape to measure your bag, and a Sharpie. Once your new foam insert is made, you'll need your scissors, a glue gun, some glue sticks, and ribbon to match your fabric. Oh, and don't forget your Ita bag. Now we're ready to get started. Take your bag and measure it on all sides and draw out the lines to cut along. Be sure when you draw your lines to add a ½ inch. You'd rather have to size down than start all over. In my case, I had to size down a lot. The corners were very tricky for me. I'm not great at measuring, so there was a lot of trial and error. If you're very careful, you can possibly trace the corners. I tried to, but I was terrified of marking my bag. Now it's time to cut out your insert. I tried a couple of different ways. I have weak, shaky hands, so I had to get my husband to finish the job for me. Thanks, babe. You the best. I'm not entirely sure what he's doing now. Anyway. Okay, let's try it in the bag. Clearly I made a mistake. It's way too big. I decided to do some guesswork and cut it down some more. And I failed again. Oh well, trial and error. Eventually I got it right. If you're planning on making another one, you can go ahead and trace the insert on the leftover foam board. Now we can attach the fabric to make it super stylish. I laid the insert over the fabric and adjusted it to where there'd be plenty of space to glue the fabric under. If you have a pencil, you can draw where you want to cut if that makes it easier for you. Do not use a marker because it could bleed through to the other side of the fabric. White chalk tends to work well on darker colored fabrics. Okay, let's glue this fabric on. Make sure to put your glue gun on a safe surface as to avoid any messes. I lay the fabric right side down and put the insert on top of it. I glue around the edge of the insert a little at a time and press the fabric down onto the glue tightly. Be careful not to burn your fingers. Try to use a minimal amount of glue to avoid making a mess. I do this all the way around until I'm done. Remember to try and keep it tight so that it looks flush to the insert. And there you have it! But we're not done yet. I forgot to mention thread and a sewing needle, but go ahead and take that ribbon and cut it into 3 small strips. I'm going to hang keychains off of these. I tried to get a video of this, but my hands kept getting in the way. So I take 1 strip of ribbon and I fold it in half, and then where the ends meet, I fold that over. Now I have a loop sort of thing. I then sew it near the top of the insert. If you'd rather just use glue, you can do practically the same thing. It's faster and easier, but not as sturdy. Now it's time to decorate. This is my favorite part. Okay, let's put it in the bag. I decorated this one minimally, but I encourage you to go as crazy as you want to with yours. And now we're done! Enjoy your unique bag, and thanks for watching!